Hi everybody, this is Jen Smith again, and I'm getting ready to drop some Google knowledge on you. So I've recently been asked a lot of questions when it comes to sending group emails on how you can control how you're receiving them or sending them. So today we're going to talk about sending emails to groups, and instead of getting that long thread of 10,000 people responding to you all and having to scroll down to see who said what, to be able to make that react as if it's a conversation that you sent to each and every individual without having to send out individual emails. So here's how you do that. The first thing is you'll notice that we are going to go into our settings. And if you come down here, scroll all the way down, you'll see email threading and the conversation view is clicked. You just want to unclick conversation view, click reload. Great. Now we're going to compose an email, and I'm going to send this to several of my company and personal emails that I use. We're going to use one of my test emails that I set up because I wanted to make sure that you guys had opportunity to see how this works in different platforms like Outlook and Google as well. So then we're going to send one to another one of my emails, and let's do another business core email. Very good. And this is going to be my test thread email, because we do not want these answers coming and replies coming in a thread. We want them to be individual emails coming in so that we can see the responses from each and every person on the email. So we're just going to say, hit me up. And we're going to send out this email. Now, this is not the same as blind emailing groups, which is covered in another Learning Bite, which I have available as well. But this is how you're going to send out group emails to people. Everybody knows they're on the email. A big shocker. A lot of people will hit reply all and everybody gets the email, and that can happen in this scenario. In the scenario where I show you how to do it with the BCC and still get it this way, you will not have everyone seeing everybody's replies. But with this one, that is the case. However, you will see them all individually. You'll notice we've got one email. We've got one email. Outlook doesn't look like it's showing a new one yet, but it's always a little slow on the draw in my opinion. So I can open this thread. I'm going to just go ahead and just hit reply all so you see how that happens to everybody. So you'll notice everybody's email is listed on there, but I'm going to say, hey, I'm in. And I'm going to send this back to the original sender. Awesome. So in my next option, you'll see, oh, see, I'm already getting spam in this one. Clean that baby out. Let's open up this one. And oh, hey, I got that one too. I'm going to reply all on this one. And I'm going to say, hey, I'm in too. Because I know that somebody else is, because I got their email. So I'm going to send that out. And message is sent. I have the undo set in my box as well. Oh, look, see, I got the email because I'm on the thread. This is the one I just sent. This is the one that I received on the reply all from my other email. And this is the original email that I sent out. Hit me up. So let's go back to our original email. Oops, before I do that, let's check. Oh, look, it is there. It's in Outlook. Outlook has gotten it. So Outlook is also seeing the thread. See the thread of everybody's reply? So hit me up. Hey, yeah, me too. I'm in. So I'm going to send back to the original replier, and you'll notice that I have now sent that one out. All right, we've got two. We only have three in there. So the email from each of these people, if you'll notice, have now showed up as individual emails, even though they replied all and they replied to my thread. So when I sent out an email, this is my original email that went out. When all the replies came back in my e-box, they came back as individuals. So I know, oh, hey, this one was from Jen Smith, replied to me from My Ideal Workspace. She's in. And what about this one? Yeah, Jen Smith at Glass Onion Test. She's in. And Jen Smith says Success Help Now is in as well. All right. If one of those had something else to say, I'm not in, or I'm sorry I can't make it, or can you please remove me from your list? Or what is this all about? All of those emails would have shown up individually, and I can always go back and track and see those and who sent them and replied to them individually. So that's a lot more awesome than having a thread of 50 or 60 different answers. Now I kept this simple so you could see how we get this as individual conversations. So again, that's just going up into your, into your settings, scrolling down to the bottom where it says conversation view. You'll notice I unchecked that. That's why we got individual replies as individual conversations. If you click this conversation view, it's going to group it, it's going to reload everything, and everything becomes one thread. All right. So if you have this as a thread already, if you forgot to do that and you sent it out and you're getting all of those, if you come down and click the conversation and reload, Google will also separate those back out for you. So if you forgot to do that and you want to separate them out so you have them all as individual emails so that you can later tag them, put them in a specific file folder, you can do this at any time. So that is our tutorial for today on how to break threads up or to create threads. And I'm always here to help. If you need me, you should hit me up. So I hope you enjoyed our tutorial today, and peace out.